Okay, so we've got a 2019 Toyota Corolla in a ZR edition. She's an automatic 5-door hatchback in a pearl white. Only travelled 33,000 kilometres. Presents like new, alloys tinted windows, weather shields, good set of tyres. I don't like the black and yellow number plates, but you can always change those out. Let's take a look at the interior. So we've got the multi-function steering wheel there, so it's lane departure warning, anti-collision, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your digital dash, 33,000. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, dual zone climate air conditioning. You've got the heated seats there, and of course it's automatic. The seat trims are pretty much brand new, all in excellent condition. Look at those sports seats. Logbooks, good service history. There's your back seat there. Pretty cool interior. Just show you inside the boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.